Hi friends, you're welcome to RC's Online Math. This is the platform where we remind ourselves and learn everyday mathematics. In today's lesson, we shall be solving this problem before us. We are asked to solve for the value of m if 10 raised to the power of m multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2m minus 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of m minus 1, everything equals to 1. And if you take a look at this problem very well, you will realize that all the bases that we have here, they are not in any way the same. Because 5, 10, and 4 are not the same. But there are ways to this where we can solve this problem. Remember, there is a particular law that says if we have a multiplied by m, all raised to the power of, let's say, x, is the same thing as a raised to the power of x multiplied by m raised to the power of x. Likewise, if we have a numeric value aspect of it, where we have 4 raised to the power of, let's say, x, we can express 4 as 2.2 all raised to the power of x, where we can say that 2 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x. It is acceptable. Very acceptable and very welcome. If you try it with another numeric value, you will realize that we are going to obtain it correctly. So hence, we can use such method here as well, so that we're able to simplify our question. Now let's go. Our 10 can be written as 5 multiplied by 2, right? All raised to the power of m. Then we have multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2m minus 2. Also 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 2. Why am I writing 4 in terms of 2 raised to the power of 2? Simply because I've discovered that I can see a 2 here. So definitely I'm going to manipulate it in such a way that we're going to arrive at a very close basis, so that we are going to bring them side by side. So let's expand this. It means that since this power is common to 5 and 2, so we can have 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of, 5 raised to the power of m, 5 raised to the power of m multiplied by 2 raised to the power of m, then multiply by 5 raised to the power of 2m minus 2 multiplied by, then we have a 2 here. Let's expand this bracket. Let's open it, so we shall have 2m minus 2, everything equal 1. So from here we can see that these are family. Likewise, this and these and these are family. So we can easily bring them side by side in as much they are all multiplied. So I can categorically say 5 raised to the power of m multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2m minus 2, then multiply by 2 raised to the power of m, multiply its family, 2 raised to the power of m minus 2 equals 1. You can see from the beginning we discovered that this equation looked bogus, but by the time we apply our method, we see that it's becoming meaningful. So since 5 raised to the power of m multiply another 5 raised to the power of 2m minus 2, so we can pick one base and add their power. So we have 5 raised to the power of m plus 2m minus 2. Likewise, this case as well, we have 2 is their base, so we have m plus 2m minus 2, everything equal to 1. So let's see what we have here. So if we add this together, we shall have 5 raised to the power of 3m minus 2 multiplied by another 2 raised to the power of 3m minus 2, everything equal 1. If you take a look at this side, our left hand side, you will realize that both 5 raised to the power of, both base 5 and base 2, they share the same power. This power, 3m minus 2. You can see they share the same power. Okay, so definitely we can actually write both 5 raised to the power 3m and 2 raised to the power 3m in this form. Remember, earlier we started with this. Of different base. You can see they share different base, but they have the same power. Which means when we have 5 raised to the power of m, is multiplying another 2 raised to the power of m, we can categorically write them as 5 times 2, everything raised to the power of m. That law holds both day and night. So we can actually now express our left hand side as 5.2 all raised to the power of, they have the same power, we have 3m minus 2 equal 1. And definitely 5 times 2 will give us 10 all raised to the power of 3m minus 2 equals 1. As you can see now, we are almost done. We are almost done in the sense that we cannot say, remember that 10 raised to the power of 0, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we shall write our right hand side as 10 raised to the power of 0. So we have 10 raised to the power of 0. And don't forget, since we know that they share the same base, then we cannot say the bases cancel out. Hence, we shall have our remaining factor here, our remaining values here, which is the index 3m minus 2, everything equals 0. Hence, we can easily find the value of our m here, that is our 3m will now be equal to 2, taking minus 2 to the other side. So if you divide both sides by 3, so we shall have our m to be equal to 2 over 3, which is our final answer. Correct. Yeah. If you enjoyed that, do make sure you follow us on our Facebook channel, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, that whenever we drop our video, you are going to be notified and you are going to enjoy them. Thank you very much. Bye for now.